Ready to purge heretics in glorious 4K? Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War is back with the Definitive Edition Remaster in 2025. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this epic RTS revival with all campaigns, 9 armies, and modern upgrades. Stick around, this is a must-play for Warhammer fans. GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming, tech, and epic battles. Announced at Warhammer Skulls 2025 Dawn of War, Definitive Edition brings the 2004 RTS Classic to modern systems. Packed with all 3 expansions, it's loaded with content that fans love. Let's break down why this remaster is a big deal. The Definitive Edition includes all single-player campaigns from the original Dawn of War and its expansions, Winter Assault, Dark Crusade, and Soulstorm. Lead the Blood Ravens, Space Marines, Imperial Guard, or new factions like Tau, Necrons, and Sisters of Battle across 9 playable armies and over 200 maps. This isn't just a facelift, optimized for modern PCs with 4K support and a 64-bit upgrade, smoother than ever. The Dark Crusade and Soulstorm campaigns bring open-ended strategy fans of Total War will love. Plus, new multiplayer servers and mod support keep the battles fresh. No exact release date yet, but it is dropping in 2025 on Steam and GOG. Expos are buzzing. Fans are thrilled to revisit this RTS legend that outshines its sequels. Whether you're a Warhammer vet or a newbie, this is your chance to dive into the grimdark universe. With 9 armies, 4 campaigns, and upgraded visuals, Dawn of War Definitive Edition is ready to dominate your gaming rig. Get ready to cleanse, purge, and kill in 2025. GadInsider fam, which army are you commanding first? Tau, Necrons, or Blood Ravens? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider for all the gaming hype.